$20 made in China. You know, the reason that you're spending the $150 is because you want it to be a better quality product. And you want to know that it's employed by, it's generated local jobs and supported. The final example is, again, from one of our startups, Open Corporates. And what they're doing here is they're using open data to join together different data sources. So this is a map of the world according to Goldman Sachs. Every dot on these on here is a subsidiary company owned by Goldman Sachs. Now you can see there's the United States, there's the UK. You can see there's a few countries in Europe. And I always thought Italy looked like a boot. This was the first time I knew the Cayman Islands looked like a flexing arm. Now I'll leave it to you as to why the Cayman Islands is roughly half the size of the United States. It's kind of an exercise for the audience. I don't mind to judge. But this is the sort of insight that could only be done by joining together 3 different data sets from 3 different regulators, all around one open data source, which was around the company number. So, you know, I said this is, you know, the source of value here can be around combining different data sets. This is one of those sources of value, combining different data sets to create new insight.
So Richard has given you some great examples of the potential of open data sets. And for the second half of the talk, I'm going to introduce you the ODINE project, which is a mechanism to help similar businesses to create added value for themselves, for the economy, for the society, using open data sets. So just to set the stage, ODINE is a publicly funded project. It is funded through a research framework, which is called Horizon 2020, for those of you who are maybe not familiar with the European funding landscape. We are a group of 7 organizations in Spain, in the UK, and in Germany. And we have received almost 8 million euros in funding to set up this program, run this innovation program for small and medium businesses across Europe on top of open data. And the aim in the end is, the hope in the end is that by encouraging more and more companies, in particular small and medium companies, which is so important for the European economy, to experiment with open data, to think about business ideas that use open data sets, that create added value out of that, we will help create a larger ecosystem of data providers from the public sector, from big industry, from small and medium enterprises, public administration, researchers, that will demonstrate once and for all what this great asset is capable of, and maybe will confirm the predictions of the McKinsey report that was cited earlier. Our focus is primarily, as I was saying, on these startups and small and medium businesses as part of this ecosystem. And what we offer them is an innovation program that builds on the expertise of some of the most important innovators in Spain, in Germany, and in the UK that are skilled and knowledgeable of this emerging open data market. We have put together a rich and diverse set of services for these companies, starting with funding, with a grant of up to 100,000 euros, and I will say a bit more about that in a little while. At 0% equity, so we are a publicly funded project, and we're using these funds to help small and medium businesses across Europe to do the same, to create added value from open data. In addition to the grant, we will put you in touch with expert mentors that will guide you through this journey, with advisors from the project and worldwide. We are going to provide training in advance for all sorts of problems, legal advice, marketing support, but also will help you take the right decisions when it comes to the choice of data sets, to the tools that you could use in order to process these data sets, to link them together, infrastructure, and so on and here we have 3 partners which have wide expertise in using big data, cloud computing resources, open data, semantic technologies, all ingredients you might need in order to build your business and develop your application. The ODINE funding is one key ingredient of this innovation program. And the slide just sums up the what we call the ODINE competitive call that was launched on the 1st, it was opened on the 1st of May and is officially launched today with this call. So it's actually a very exciting moment for the ODINE team to be here and actually achieve this great milestone in our project. The call will be open until the end of August 2016. It is a standing call, so this means if you have a business idea, if you're a small or medium business in Europe, if you're eligible for public funding under Horizon 2020, you could apply for ODINE funding as well. And we are going to evaluate the submissions every 2 months using a panel of external experts. The projects we are going to fund are going to be 6 months, but this does not mean that your journey and your work with us stops there. After 6 months, we expect you to be at a stage where you will be able to demonstrate that your open data product is viable and you're ready to take the next step. You're ready to become part of this ecosystem that I was mentioning. We have 5.5 million euros that we are going to award to SMEs. Each company is going to receive up to 100,000 euros. So we expect to have something like 50 to 75 companies graduating from the program. And there is a submission platform that is in place to support the application process. So what is the funding for? Well, the examples that Richard gave should inspire you, should give you an idea about the things we're looking at. We're looking for companies that have a great idea with open data at its core. And open data can be obviously combined with all sorts of other sources and processed in many sophisticated ways. But the important aspect is that we are looking for open data companies. So what we're less looking for maybe are companies that add 1 or 2 open data sets to their existing products, creating maybe some improvement into what they're offering at the moment, but not drastically changing or creating a significant, a substantial social or economic impact through the addition of open data sets. The funds can be used for anything from salaries to equipment, travels, consumables, training you might need, subcontracting to other parties, but also office space and office infrastructure, so indirect expenditure up to 20% of the total funds. Who can apply? Small and medium enterprises. They have to be registered in one of the EU member states at the time we are going to sign the contract with them. So they have to be eligible for Horizon 2020 funding, which means they're either established in one of these EU 28 countries or in associated countries. And there is a long and exciting document telling you all about it. How do you apply? There is an online application process. It's quite straightforward. There is an administrative part which gives us some detail about who you are, your